Hey guys, this is Joe from Joe's Smokehouse and Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing 2 pork loins out of our LoneStar 20 by 42 inch smoker. And today we're going to be using the Texas Best Rib Rub, which is made by Heaven Made Products. And guys, if you don't have this, you've got to get it. It is fantastic on pork. So let's get these rubbed down, guys. Now you could put more or less on than this. I mean, the more you put these on, the more a little bit of bite you're going to get to them, which I like. So that's up to you on how much you want to put on, guys. All up to you. I got these at Kroger's yesterday, supermarket. And I was kind of fooled a little bit on the size of them. They look really big in the wrapper, but, you know, they're good size. I mean, that's about a normal size for a pork tenderloin. And 4 came to a package, and I thought that was a good deal for, what we paid for those, Emery?
Like $14, I think.
$14 for 4 tenderloins, which I thought was a heck of a good price. And what we'll do, we'll bring these out in the smoker, and we'll tell you what we're going to be doing later on with these things. And what temperature we're cooking at, what kind of wood we'll be using. And all that kind of stuff, guys. And I'll leave a link down in the description box of where to get this. You can either, you can talk to Michael Petrie and Kim themselves about this rub and tell them Smoky Joe sent you guys. I'll tell you what, we'll catch you out in the smoker in just a little bit. I just wanted to show you what these pork tenderloins look like, guys, sweated out. This is what you want them to look like before you put them out on the smoker. See where they've sweated like that, nice juices. That's what you want them to look like before you stick them on the smoker. So we'll catch you right outside in a couple seconds. Okay, we're at the smoker. We're going to stick our tenderloins on now. What we're going to do, guys, is we're going to cook these about an hour and a half. That's all it should take on this smoker. And we're going to be cooking anywhere from 225 to 250 today. We're using post oak wood. And we're going to let these smoke. And then what we're going to do is, at the last minute, we're going to come over to here, which is another great feature which LoneStar has. And this is a hot plate right here. It's a 1/2-inch hot plate. We're going to sear them at the last minute, put a little bit of crust on them, okay? So we'll bring you back when we get to that point. Talk to you in a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna spritz these tenderloin, guys. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to keep them moist. So I'm just gonna shoot them with a little bit of apple juice. And I just want to show you the color on them that they've taken on. They've only got about another probably, 30 minutes to cook, and we'll be pulling them off. We'll bring you back in just a few seconds. Okay, guys, we're back out in the smoker. We're gonna put a little bit of our barbecue sauce on the pork tenderloins. This is homemade barbecue sauce. You can use whatever you want to, whatever kind you like. You're more than glad to use that. This is just our little homemade stuff we put on here. Oh, here, look at the color, honey. Mm-hmm. Those are beautiful. They're gonna be so tender. I can't wait to bite into these.
I love pork tenderloin.
Me too. Oh wow, look at the color on that. Look at that. That's a picture. Flip these over to the other side. Oh, look at those grill marks on that. Wow.
That's awesome.
Yeah, very. And I wanted to also tell you guys, look, take a peek at that chimney, Emery. How clean that wood's burning. I know I've said it before, but this LoneStar burns so clean. I can't even believe it. I mean, I have to sear these things. We'll have to determine that when we pull these off. Yeah. That's got such a great look. I hate to ruin that look. It's awesome looking.
You don't have to.
Okay, these are about 134, guys. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to pull these off about 140, and we'll make a determination whether they're going to sear them or not. But I kind of like the way they look right now. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. We'll check back with you, though, and let you know. I just want to let you know, guys, I get asked all the time on what temperatures I run on my new LoneStar and how much fuel I burn. Well, today We used a half a split of wood and a quarter split of wood on those tenderloins, which took an hour and a half to cook. I'm just letting you know. And I probably noticed I also had some ribs and chicken on there as for company later on. I know I'm going to have to add more wood for that particular cook. But as far as the tenderloins went, I only used, like I said, what it is said right to you. And I still had plenty of fuel. If I would have had to go another hour on those tenderloins, I still have plenty of fuel on those two little splits that I used for that particular cook. So that might help you YouTubers that ask me all the time on what temperatures I do. And I will be doing a fire management video on, on how much fuel I use on that thing and what temperatures I burn. I'll do that for you guys because you've asked. That'll probably be down the line just a little bit. I want to get a few more cooks out there for my folks. So I'll let you know, but I just want to let you guys know about that temperature. Okay, guys, we just pulled these tenderloins off our smoker. Let's do a little small recap of what we did today. We cooked some 1 pound pork tenderloins on our 20 by 42 inch LoneStar Smoker. We cooked them at 250 degrees for an hour and a half using post oak wood. And guys, I tell you what, I was going to sear these on my plate, my hot plate over my firebox, but I decided not to because it got such great grill marks off the smoker. I decided not to. You can pre-sear these things before you smoke them, but I suggest maybe not because the penetration of the smoke may not get into the meat like you want it. I mean, I would do it. I would probably smoke them and then sear them afterwards. That way you'll get a little char look after you smoke them. So I'll tell you what, let's just dive into these things. Let's cut these things up a little bit and see what they look like.
They look tender.
They're cutting like tender. Oh yeah, that's the color I was looking for. Oh yeah. Yeah, I tell you what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna put a little of my barbecue sauce on here. My homemade barbecue sauce. 'Cause I know that stuff's awesome. Look at the color. Look at the color in that meat. That's perfectly cooked, guys. Okay, now for the real deal. Put a little bit on here too. That's what makes these things. Okay, I tell you what, we'll bring you right back and we're gonna taste test these, okay? Okay guys, this is the best part of the video right here, guys. Taste testing this pork loin I did today. If you could smell it, what it smells like in here with that rub, it is just unbelievable. And the homemade barbecue sauce, I wish you could smell the smell in my kitchen right now. Okay guys, let's taste test this. I am ready to dive in. I want to show you that, how nice and cooked that, perfect cooked that was. Oh my God, that's like butter. Emery, what do you taste that, honey? Tell you what, take the rest of that, okay? Try that. Tell me what you think. You like that? You like that pork rub? Mm-hmm. I tell you, Michael Petrie's got a pork rub, doesn't he?
That
stuff is outstanding, guys. You have got to try that, please.
All his ribs are delicious.
Do that for me. It's really fantastic. I mean,
my God.
I mean, nice little smoke ring on here. I mean, that smoker is killer.
You can't beat that. That
Love
is absolutely delicious.
Okay, guys, that's all I have for you today. I really appreciate you watching my video. And smash that like button, please. And subscribe to my channel if you wish. And there's a notification bell. Click on it for my new uploads of my videos. And guys, if you ain't a grilling, you ain't a chilling. God bless every one of you guys.